Hello.
Welcome back. So last night we had Brad and Harmony around, sat around the fire and talked crap, had a few beers, and we decided we'd go for a road trip to MALENY. So we've just been driving through a little bit of rain, so hopefully it's not too crappy. It's still a bit sunny. Driving through a cloud. Feels fluffy.
Why these guys have got that beautiful red plumage on the front.
Hey? He likes my little cord. Hello. 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 You've got a lorikeet.
Oh, Laurie.
And a cockatoo.
Hello.
Lizzie, leave it.
What's on my head? Oh, it's a lorikeet.
Hello, beautiful.
So every macaw, like every zebra, like our fingerprints, thumbprints, every macaw has got a different facial print. Juvenile male red-tailed black cockatoo. He's after your button right now on top of that. Yeah. These two are horrible. They will literally, and it comes up in a split second, like literally. It's not even enough time for me to get to people.
So we've just done a tour of the bird and wildlife sanctuary at MALENY, and now we are having a look at the botanical gardens. So it's actually quite pretty. There were lots of birds. Lizzie's just fallen over. She's covered in bird shit and mud. And I'm very glad I brought a spare change of clothes for her. That's cute. Oh, little wagon. I feel like a wagonville. Oh, the tantrums. Let's roll around in the mud. Get even more dirty. Oh, she's finally emerging. You're such a sook. Come on. It's just a drink, darling. We don't have to tantrum over it.
Get another one, Liz.
It's like a horn. Beauty. Just what we want. Hey, I've got an umbrella in my bag, haven't I? You're so cute. You're so cute. Can you see yourself? He's cheeky. He's cheeky. Nothing like a torrential downpour, hey? You struggling? Have a look at the state of you. And you. You got shit all over you. So we've just finished a pub meal at MALENY, and yeah, it wasn't super duper crash hot. We didn't have to wait too long for our meals, but we did have to wait a while to order our food and to find a table. I had 2 beers. How many did you have? 20. He had 20 beers, that's why he's driving. 22. Yeah, 22 beers. So he's driving. Baby shark. What about mummy shark? Anyway, we're going back the same direction to go home. We went the scenic route rather than the highway because highway traffic on the way back to Brisbane from the sunny coast is usually horrid, especially on a Sunday. We got a lot of fog, a lot of cloud cover. It pelted down rain when we were at the bird sanctuary or whatever you call it. So we all got absolutely saturated. The kids had to have a change of pants. Wood. We got very, very wet and had to bring the car down.
You made my clothes all wet.
I didn't make your clothes wet, the rain did.